से प्यारा है, सबसे गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत को जान से प्यारा है, सबसे गुलिस्तान हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत को जान से प्यारा है, सबसे गुलिस्तान हमारा है। सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है। सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से करेंगे हम सभी लोग भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
Gandhian philosophy is about transformation of individuals to human beings, for which being truthful and kind are just tools. Today's generation lack a role model. Many surveys show that today's youth quote the names of politicians, film stars and cricketers as their role models. But none of these role models of today's youth have the strength to stand the test of time. Gandhi as a role model is more acceptable because his efforts to improve human society are more secular in nature. Friends, violence in today's world prevails everywhere. As Robert Frost said, I took the road less traveled by and that made all the difference. So friends, why don't we make a difference by taking a different path, that is the path of non-violence? It is not necessary that violence has to be opposed by violence. We can choose the path of non-violence like many eminent leaders like Anna Hazare and Baba Ramdev who ignited a spark against corruption in people's mind. In today's world of terrorism, we want Gandhi reborn to spread the message of love, brotherhood and tolerance. In today's world of globalization, followed by the greed to right the smaller nations, we want Gandhi reborn to teach us simplicity, humanity and the willingness to help fellow beings. In today's world of selfish motives of greedy politicians, we want Gandhi to lead us towards the eternal happiness of all human beings. In today's world of the confused youth, helpless and downtrodden, we want Gandhi to bear the torch to lead us from ignorance to knowledge, darkness to light, and from self-created bondage to liberty. As my opponent party said, the principles of non-violence and truth will not work in today's world. But why not, friend, if we have the willpower to make them work, and a leader as great as Gandhiji is surely will work. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Karan Mehra and I am here to support the leader that will be the best solution for all our problems. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. But before I tell my point of view about why I think Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose should come back, I would like to put up a question to my worthy opponent king. Though Gandhiji could solve any problem with his peaceful methods, though he could stop the violence between us, he even created a brotherhood between us that seemed impossible long ago. The divide and he stopped, the divide and rule that was, while it was sprouting to become a tree later on, the divide and rule between Hindus and Muslims. In the present day, our country is facing two major threats, terrorism and Maoist attacks. So far, many peaceful methods have been displayed to tackle this menace. However, they remain unsolved. If Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was to come back, he would ensure that these problems are handled aptly. He would help us create the awareness of the necessity of self-defense. The peaceful methods are not going to work anymore. We need to be aggressive and we need to fight back. It's the only way to solve these problems. He had once said that the greatest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrongdoings. No real change in history has been achieved by only discussions. Thus, I would like to conclude by saying that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is the best leader India is in need of in the present day. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Prahat and I am here to support the rebirth of Mahatma Gandhi in today's world. Before I begin, I would like to counterpoint my opinion as he was mentioning that Mahatma Gandhi was unable to stop the divide and rule by his ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhi had tried his level best to stop the divide and rule by his ahimsa, but violence had taken over the people at that time. Nobody was ready to listen to Mahatma Gandhi. So, as you all know, the world we live in today is full of corruption and terrorism. Using violent methods in this situation would just lead to an increase in wasting people and destruction of mankind. In this world, we need the rebirth of Mahatma Gandhi and his principles. Some people would say that Mahatma Gandhi's principles would not work out in today's world, but if you have the strength, you can make a difference. As Mahatma Gandhi said, strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. Before I would conclude, I would like to put up a question to my opponent team. Today, people like Rahul Gandhi and Baba Ramdev accomplish things by doing things such as Pariyatra and fasting. But why are they unsuccessful? Isn't this due to the lack of support of the people? Saying this, I would like to conclude that we need the rebirth of Mahatma Gandhi in today's world for a better life. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Sagarika of Class 9, supporting the rebirth of a matchless hero who knew no fear, yet Subhash Chandra Bose. As said by my worthy opponent, that Rahul Gandhi and Baba Ramdev are following the Gandhi's principles such as earth me peace of mind. We strongly need to fight out all the odds, such as I already told you, to make our country a better place to live in. So we need Subhash Chandra Bose, not Gandhi's ideals once again. Though these are his ideals were denied at the first, later they became the milestone of Indian National Congress. Bose formed his army and named it the Front Block, which fought against the British. We once again need such a great leader and such great army men to fight. Early morning when we switch on the TV, the headlines read a terrorist attack, a bomb blast, bloodshed, violence everywhere. And do you think in this generation Gandhi's principles of truth and non-violence will work out? No, I strongly feel they will not help us out. Bose said, freedom is not to be given, it is to be taken. We can grab the freedom, but we need such a great leader to lead us and help this dream come true. We got freedom from British in Gandhi's name of peace and non-violence. But today, we cannot lead with the same policy. Bose said, an individual may die for an idea, but the idea after his death will incarnate itself into thousands of lives. This is how the wheel of evolution moves on. If his ideas were incarnated into people, today we would have had thousands of Bose around us. So, friends, are you not ready to fight this fight, become such a great leader like Subhash Chandra Bose, and help our country, India, to develop and be a peaceful place? Thank you.
Good morning to everyone present here. I am Shubhangi of class 8B. Before I start my talk, I would like to pose a question to my worthy opponent team. They said that in today's world, we need violence to protect ourselves. Is it so? Let me give you an instance. You all must be aware that recently the Ramleela Maidan tragedy took place. That night was a night of torture, a night of nightmare. Many women, many children were injured. And yet you say that violence is helpful. How can you say so? Now I would like to get back to my viewpoints on Gandhi's rebirth. Gandhi was a great freedom fighter, and our heads will always remain bowed in front of him for his tremendous contributions to mankind. During his lifetime, Bapu gave some principles, which today we know as the Gandhian principles. By applying some of the Gandhian principles, such as ahimsa, truthfulness, peace, and respect, we can not only make our lives better, but others' lives a lot more better. Let me give you an example. You all must be aware that in the forthcoming years, India will be seen as a superpower. Is this just a gossip, or is it really true? Think, friends, think. Don't you feel if we apply some of the Gandhian principles, we, India, will be seen as one of the most upcoming and leading nations of the world? Yes, of course. Due to the bad intentions of our greedy politicians, you all know at what state of progress we are in. Almost none of our politicians are ready to accept the truth, nor are they ready to stick to their promises. In today's world, where the youth is confused, where the youth does not know where to go, where the youth does not know which is right and wrong, violence is definitely not the key to success. It is only and only non-violence that can settle matters down. We all must remain united, yet another Gandhian principle. We must respect each other's viewpoints. We must have faith and trust in every other Indian fellow man of ours. And thus, I conclude by saying that to inculcate these values, these models, we really need a leader, inspiration, a motivation like Gandhi to be reborn on this earth again. Thank you.
We are proud that our young Indians remember our struggle and importance of freedom. People think that we are opposite poles, but I equally admire Gandhi
Show your anger where you need. Show your patience where they need. Come, join our path for India's independence from all the social evils and internal conflicts. And lead the people to the pinnacle of greatness. Become mentors sent to birds so that the earth may be lightened. Our blessings are with you. Jai Hind.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस, गणतंत्र दिवस, गांधी जयंती आदि। यह राष्ट्रीय चेतना के विकास के लिए यह त्योहार बहुत लाभदायक होते हैं। 15 अगस्त भी हमारा एक राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। 15 अगस्त को हम स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 से पहले हम अंग्रेजों की गुलाम थे। हमें किसी भी प्रकार की आज़ादी नहीं थी, पर हमारे स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने हमें आज़ादी दिलाई। हमारे ये स्वतंत्रता संघर्ष की कहानी 1857 के प्रथम संग्राम से प्रारंभ होती है। इसीलिए बहुत आंदोलन चले और अंत में भारतवासियों को स्वतंत्रता मिली। यह पर्व वीरों की स्मृति का त्योहार है। पर्व उल्लास और उत्साह के साथ मनाएं। यह पर्व हमें अपनी स्वतंत्रता की रक्षा करने की प्रेरणा देता है। हमें अपने देश की एकता और अखंडता के बारे में हमेशा प्रयत्नशील रहना चाहिए। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारे राष्ट्रीय जीवन में शक्ति और गौरव का संचार करने के लिए अहम है, जिसे न निज गौरव और निज देश का अभिमान है। वह नर नहीं है, पशु निरा और नैतिक समान है। धन्यवाद।